This company started trading on the New York Stock Exchange last week. It was the largest IPO by an Asian company on the New York Stock Exchange since Alibaba. It's pulled back 38%, which often happens with newly listed stocks, and it could offer a very nice entry. The company is called Coupang. They are South Korea's largest online retailer, backed by SoftBank and BlackRock, and they've been growing rapidly. They're extremely customer obsessed, which led them to develop their own logistics operations to maximise delivery speeds and remove as many pain points from the ordering process as possible. They now deliver 3.3 million items every day, which is up 91% from last year. I like to talk about growth companies on this channel, and you can see from the last 5 years they've been just growing incredibly fast. Revenue's just shy of 12 billion in 2020, and its growth is accelerating. This explains why the company's IPO was valued at $60 billion. And although still not profitable, their losses are tightening and down from last year. I like it when companies are in this position. They've had time to really prove their model, but still have a lot of room for growth. And it's really not surprising that more than half of all Koreans have downloaded their app, when you consider that customers are eligible for free next day delivery 365 days a year. Orders can be placed up to midnight, and they have frictionless returns where customers just have to tap a button on their app and leave the item outside their door. The comparison with Amazon deliveries appears justified, and in fact, Coupang's CFO previously held positions at Amazon. Their innovation on deliveries is truly exceptional. Have a listen to this.
So, an executive of ours had promised his son that they were going to go rollerblading together, for example, and on Friday he realized he hadn't bought the rollerblades. Because our Dawn delivery allows you to place an order as late as midnight and get it before 7 a.m., he placed an order for rollerblades before he went to bed. In the morning, it was waiting for him outside his door, and he was able to keep his promise. And had those rollerblades not been the right size, he could have left it outside the door, no packaging, no printed label. And because we're end-to-end integrated, our drivers would have picked it up promptly. And when they scanned it in front of his door, the refund would have initiated immediately. So it's not just free returns, it's stress-free returns.
South Korea has the third largest e-commerce market in Asia and benefits from the highest smartphone penetration of any country in the world. Now, of course, part of their recent growth can be attributed to the pandemic. The food delivery market has risen by 40% in 1 year. But according to Statista, e-commerce revenue is expected to have a compound annual growth rate of 5.24% over the next 4 years. And it's my guess Coupang will continue to dominate in that field. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. If you want to buy this stock, you should research it thoroughly. I've put a link in the description to help you do that. Never risk more than you can afford to lose. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.